strong triangular frame structure, 3 suction cups with ball head adjustments on each, a GoPro or action camera mount. You get some rope as a just in case so you can tie up your mount for peace of mind that it won't fly off. You get a tightening key, cleaning cloth for the surface that you put your suction cups on, but also a wet wipe and a dry wipe for those surfaces. A nicely detailed set of instructions, and underneath here you actually get a very high quality ball head mount. It has a removable mounting plate for easy changes, but also has little metal points on them to make sure that this thing is not going anywhere. You put it all together and, well, you're done. Ready to try it out. This thing will hold up to 2.5 kilograms or 5.5 pounds. So for any prosumers out there with bigger cameras wanting to create some amazing shots from different angles on your car or on glass or any smooth surfaces. And the fact that each suction cup has its own adjustable ball head, it's easy to customize it to different angles and different surface environments. And for us GoPro users, you can argue that one would be enough. And in theory, yes, if you're just putting this on glass or any kind of smooth surface, but when you're driving down a bumpy road or anything like that, it's not as stable. You'll get a little bit more movement because you only have the one arm. But with the 3 suction cups firmly on the surface, this thing won't be moving or wobbling or jiggling at all, especially if you're wanting to get some low light shots and you have to turn hyper smooth off. It's really nice to have a more smooth shot, and that would look fantastic.